Hi, what's your name?
My name is Rakib, and how about you?
Rakib? Okay, cool. My name is Poppy. Yeah, nice to meet you. Poppy.
Nice to meet you, Poppy. And where are you from?
I'm from England, the southwest of England, but now I live in France, like by Germany. And where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. It's in Southeast Asian country. Do you know where Bangladesh is?
Yeah, of course, near India.
Yeah, near India. It's
Yeah.
a country.
Yeah, cool. And so how long have you been on Cambly for?
Well, it's been 2 months. I've been using Cambly for practicing my English. It's not about learning process because I have done quite research about learning English. I'm an IELTS candidate. That's why I've been on Cambly to practice my English with a speaker.
Yeah, just your conversational skills.
Yeah, I just want to improve my conversations. If I can speak when they ask me to speak in about 2 or 3 minutes in the IELTS speaking competition too. So that's why I'm on Cambly. I want to pursue IELTS exam in the next year because But
are you working at home then? Or you're studying?
Yeah, I'm studying. I have been just graduated just about what should I say 2 weeks ago.
Similar to me. Yeah. So did you do a degree, like a graduate degree?
Yeah, it's a bachelor degree. I have done. So how old are you?
Maybe the same age as you, like 22.
22. Well, I guess I'm 24 right now.
Okay, so you're a bit older. Did you do a long degree or did you start later?
I'm older by face or something.
No, you don't look older. No.
Now my friends call me. I will still look as a higher secondary students, like something like that.
A high school student.
Yeah, high school students. They probably tell me sometimes that you are not looking much as you are. You are 24, but it's not. It's look like you are 18.
Yeah, you could be between 18 or 25, I guess. It's hard to tell by the camera, but yeah. So how come you just finished your degree? Did you do a long degree?
Yeah, it's a 4 years degree. And in Bangladesh, we have to take a 4 years degree as a bachelor degree. And I'm willing to pursue my master degree in Canada because that's my best place to visit. I want to study there. My first priority would always be in Finland, but I know that Finland would be tough for me because the requirement is not really well enough for me, I guess.
The economy, like the job opportunities and stuff. Yeah, for sure. Is it good in Bangladesh? Sorry.
No, you can continue.
Okay, yeah. Is the economy, the job opportunities, are they good in Bangladesh where you're living? Yeah,
I'm doing freelancing by myself, and it's I have made quite a lot of money by using my computer and my laptop. But I'm not really happy with that because I want to do something. I want to explore the world. That's why I have learned English, and that's why I've been learning languages. Because right now I'm learning German languages. That's my third language.
Nice.
And I want to learn 3 more languages called Italian, French, and Spanish. Those are my favorite languages.
Yeah, me, I studied French and Spanish, and obviously I'm living in France, so I can speak French. I'm learning Spanish, but it will take you a long time to be able to learn 4 languages, right?
So I have just all the time I need to learn because I'm willing to invest 2 years to learn one particular language, and in this way I just want to learn at least 4 languages in between 30 years of age.
Yeah, because, that's good.
Yeah, that's
sorry. I will have a reservation. He will call me, so I will have to go. I'm so sorry, but you bring another tutor. Okay.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Yeah, see you.